All right, let's just jump right in. We're going to talk about what is arguably the strangest looking mammal on the entire planet. But believe me, the way it looks, that is the absolute least interesting thing about this animal.
I mean, come on, let's just be real for a second. People call it a saber-toothed sausage, and you can see why. It's got this wrinkly, pink, totally hairless skin. Its eyes are these tiny little dots that barely work, and those teeth, they stick out all over the place. It is, without a doubt, one weird-looking animal.
But, and this is where the story gets absolutely wild, this little creature is also a full-blown medical miracle. I'm not kidding. It holds the biological secrets to some of our biggest nightmares: cancer, chronic pain, and yeah, even aging itself. So the obvious question is, how? How is that even possible? How can this one animal hold the keys to things our best scientists have been working on for decades? Well, let's dig in and break down the amazing biology that has everyone scrambling to figure it out. So here it is, the naked mole rat. It lives deep underground in these harsh tunnel systems in East Africa. And it has a really weird social life, kind of like bees, with one queen who does all the breeding. But here is the part that just blows my mind. A mouse, which is about the same size, might live for, 4 years? The naked mole rat can live for over 40 years. That's just unheard of. And that incredible lifespan, that's just the tip of the iceberg. You've got to hear this list of superpowers. It's virtually immune to cancer. It doesn't feel many types of pain. It can survive for almost 20 minutes without any oxygen. And it basically just ignores the biological rules of aging. I mean, each one of those is a holy grail of medical research, and this one little animal figured it all out. So let's start with the biggest one. Its unbreakable cancer shield. Okay, so for years, scientists were watching these huge colonies of mole rats, and they started to notice something that just shouldn't be possible. They looked at hundreds and hundreds of them, some that were over 30 years old, and they couldn't find a single naturally occurring tumor. Not one. Now you have to understand that's completely unheard of for any other mammal. For us, age and cancer risk are tied together. For them, nope. So the first big clue came from a chemical you've probably heard of, maybe from skincare ads or something. It's called hyaluronic acid, or HA. In our bodies, it's the stuff that kind of cushions our cells. But when scientists tried to grow mole rat cells in a lab dish, something really weird happened. The liquid in the dish turned super thick and goopy, almost like a gel. And that was the first sign that the mole rat's HA was different. And here's why. It turns out the naked mole rat makes a version of HA that is way, way bigger than ours. We're talking 5 to 6 times larger. It's this massive, super heavy molecule that's totally unlike the HA that you'd find in humans or any other mammal for that matter. So how does that stop cancer? Well, you can think of this giant HA molecule as creating a permanent traffic jam around the cells. It makes everything super crowded. And because of that, the second a cell even thinks about dividing too much and bumping into its neighbors, this super HA slams on the brakes. It sends out this powerful signal that just says, nope, stop dividing now. It's basically a built-in alarm system that shuts down a tumor before it even gets a chance to form. And this isn't just a cool theory. They've actually tested it. In this incredible study from 2023, scientists took the gene that makes this super HA from the mole rat, and they put it into mice. The results were just staggering. The mice with the mole rat gene got less cancer, had less inflammation throughout their bodies, and get this, they lived on average 4.4% longer. They literally transferred a superpower from one animal to another. Okay, so as if being cancer-proof wasn't enough, that's not the only trick up its sleeve. The naked mole rat has also basically solved 2 other huge problems: chronic pain and the whole process of getting old. I want you to just imagine this for a second. What if you were immune to the burn of a chili pepper or the sting of lemon juice in a cut? Well, the naked mole rat is. Its pain pathways are just rewired. The nerve sends a signal, but its brain is basically programmed to ignore it. The signal just never registers as ouch. And the proteins that make this happen, they're now one of the hottest targets for drug companies trying to make new painkillers that aren't addictive. Now we get to the part that honestly sounds like science fiction. For about 200 years, we've had this biological rule called Gompertz's law, and it's super simple. For basically every mammal, from a tiny mouse to a giant whale, your chance of dying doubles every few years after you become an adult. That's just how aging works. Except for the naked mole rat. Its risk of dying is just a flat line.
A 30-year-old mole rat has the exact same chance of dying in the next year as a 2-year-old one. It is the only mammal we know of that just spits in the face of this law of aging.
For the longest time, nobody knew how it did this. It was a total mystery. But very recently, there was a huge breakthrough, and it all boiled down to a single number: 4.
What does 4 mean? Well, the answer is in a protein called CGAS. And it turns out there are just 4 tiny little changes, 4 amino acids, that are different between the human version of this protein and the mole rat's version. In us, this protein actually gets in the way of our cells repairing their own DNA. But in the mole rat, those 4 little tweaks completely flip its job. Instead of slowing down DNA repair, it puts it into overdrive. I love this analogy from one of the scientists, Dr. Gabriel Belmas. He said it's like a biological Lego piece. It's the same piece in us and in the mole rat, but in their version, a few of the little connectors are flipped around, and because of that, it builds a totally different structure with a completely different job. It's an incredible way to think about it, right? That is the tiny molecular difference between aging like we do and, well, not aging.
So, okay, this is all fascinating stuff, right? But the real question is, what do we do with all this information? This isn't just a biology lesson. This is literally becoming a blueprint for the future of medicine. And I mean, this is happening as we speak. Right now, scientists are working on drugs to copy that cancer shield effect in us. They're designing new painkillers based on those rewired pain pathways. They're even looking at ways to edit our genes to make our DNA repair work more like the mole rats. And, oh, I didn't even mention this one. It can survive 18 minutes without oxygen. It does it by switching its metabolism to run on sugar, kind of like a plant. And that discovery could be a total game changer for treating strokes one day. Which brings us back to where we started. For millions of years, this strange little animal has been evolving in total darkness, and in the process, it has stumbled upon the solutions to cancer, chronic pain, and aging. It's just an amazing reminder that sometimes the biggest answers come from the most unexpected places. So I'll leave you with this question. If you could copy just one of its superpowers, which one would you pick? The immunity to cancer, the freedom from pain, or the secret to defying age itself?